वेलकम बैक। आप सुन रहे हैं 107 FM में आपके साथ आपकी प्रेजेंट शमाविश खान और सिलसिला चल रहा है इस पर क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट का, जिसके बारे में हम आपसे बात कर रहे हैं। और मैच होने वाला है फ्राइडे के रोज, जिसको लेके हमारी बड़ी एक्साइटमेंट है। हम लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड फील कर रहे हैं खुद को। और इस सिलसिले में कल आपने सुने थे, हमारे साथ मौजूद थे पाकिस्तानी क्रिकेट टीम के कैप्टन, फिर हमारे साथ बांग्लादेश और इंडिया के मैनेजर थे, और टेलीफोन पे हमने लिया था जहीर को, जो कि इंडियन टीम के कैप्टन है। इस वक्त हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं श्रीलंकन टीम के कैप्टन स्टूडियो में रिजलान अहमद। रिजलान, राइट, कैसे हैं आप?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ठीक है, चल रहा है। आप
ठीक है, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक। और कैसी एक्साइटमेंट कैसी है मैच को लेके?
Yes, very excited because if you know that, after a long period, after that last year T10, it happened in Qatar, Q10, and then this is the first tournament it's going to be started. So yeah, overall, everyone is excited. Personally, I'm excited to go there and, play some cricket. It's quite a long time, you are inside your, room or maybe workplace and there's no much activity. Yes, we have been working on our fitness and practice sessions, but when it comes to real scenario, which is match, that's a good opportunity now for us as a player to go and, perform. So thanks to QCA, Qatar Cricket Association, the Mr. Yusuf Al-Kuwari, who has taken a great decision, again, it's a celebration of Qatar National Day. We all happy that, we are part of it and, yeah, looking forward to it.
ग्रेट, जबरदस्त। अच्छा, सबसे पहला सवाल जो मुझे आपके बारे में पूछना है वो ये है कि आपका नाम है रिजलान।
हाँ जी।
तो मतलब क्या है इसके? बहुत खूबसूरत नाम है और पहली दफा सुना है मैंने।
हाँ जी।
किसने रखा था, मतलब पता है?
To be honest, yeah, it's a unique name, but honestly speaking, I'm not sure about the meaning of it. That's all I can say.
Beautiful name. So, रिजलान, थोड़ा सा आपके बारे में अगर हम जाने, मतलब आप कब से यहाँ पे हैं, इंट्रोडक्शन थोड़ा सा अपना करवाएं।
हाँ जी, मैं आया था कतर में 2006 में, and then I started playing cricket with Asian cricket team. Their name itself, you can say that it's a Asian team where you have all the players from Pakistan, India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh. We had that type of players during that time also. Then I started playing for Qatar from 2010 when I completed my 4 years. Then there's an opportunity for me to play for Qatar. I performed well during my domestic seasons, and then that is how I started playing Qatar. And I'm working in a company called Gulfar Al Misnad, and we have our own team. We are also playing in the Premier Division, and we have won so many tournaments. And again, talking about this Four Nation tournament, we also have players from our team who are participating in the, who got selection in the Pakistan team, India team and Bangladesh. Great. So it's a proud moment for us as a Gulfar cricket team as well. Yeah.
ग्रेट, वाकई। तो ये आपका मतलब 10 साल तकरीबन आपको हो गए हैं QAC के साथ?
हाँ जी, कतर नेशनल टीम में 10 साल खेल रहे हैं, एंड इट्स अ प्राउड मोमेंट फॉर मी, टू प्ले दैट लॉन्ग पीरियड। नॉर्मली यू डोंट गेट सच अ lengthy time to play in the national side, so alhamdulillah, without any injuries and performance के साथ चल रहा है। So inshallah और भी आगे चलने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
ग्रेट। अच्छा, रैंकिंग का कल हो रही थी बात ना, तो आप कैप्टन हैं माशाल्लाह से श्रीलंकन टीम के। तो इस कैप्टन बनने की जो एक जर्नी होती है, मतलब एक तो ये कि आप खेल रहे हो टीम के साथ, फिर कैप्टन बनने की एक अलग जर्नी होती है। क्या क्राइटेरिया होता है और किस तरह से आप यहाँ तक पहुंचे?
हाँ जी, as I said, I started playing cricket in Qatar from 2006, so it's been probably 14 years, very long year. And me starting from Asian Cricket Club with Mr. Yunus Thakur, उधर से मेरा कैप्टनसी शुरू हुआ है. So I have started captaining for last 10 years in the domestic clubs. Then Asian Club, and then CCTC, and then now I am with Gulfar. Gulfar is my workplace where we build a team, and I am captaining that team for last 3 to 4 years, more than 4 years, and we are doing really well. So also I am a part of the Qatar national team and the current vice captain. So it's a very privileged And and talking back to the Sri Lankan team, I think being a senior player, they have opted to name me as a captain. It's a very privilege wherever you play. When it comes to your nation, it's really honor. And we got a very good set of players. Gayan Buddhika is the vice captain, and we have experienced coaches. Mr. Saman Fonseca, he is one of the very known person in Qatar as a player and as a coach. And we have Lahiru as assistant coach. We have Tariq as a manager. Apart from that, I can name some of the players like national player in the national team. There's Imal.
Okay.
He's just getting to the team and being a Sri Lankan, so he is doing well. And we have in line like Andrew Beringer. He played for Sri Lanka and then he played for UAE as well.
Great.
Yeah, like that. Imraz, Bora, I can name so many players. Also, we have some young talents like, Zayan Ismat, under 19. He's a good all-rounder. Then Romelo, he's team player. Khalid, also one more guy couldn't get into the team because of the competition we have. Because we have a very good bunch of players, Sri Lankan players. So we had a selection. And yes, only 15 you can nominate, and they are the best 15 we have in the list. Yeah.
Okay, best of luck for next match inshallah. तो अभी जो आपके पास टीम है mostly श्रीलंकन्स है?
Yeah, it's only Sri Lankans can participate in this tournament. I mean,
okay. In your team?
In my team,
Okay.
So it's India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh. So all the Sri Lankan, communities, we have selected 15 members team. So they're all Sri Lankans who are working here and playing for different clubs.
Great. अच्छा, आपकी टीम की क्या स्ट्रेंथ है? बॉलिंग ज्यादा अच्छी है आपकी टीम के जो प्लेयर्स हैं उनकी, या फिर बैटिंग या फिर फील्डिंग?
Before that, I'll tell one thing, because if I am not wrong, we are the defending champions. The last time the Nation Cup happened was in 2016 or 17, if I remember. Because after that, every year we had teams from outside, like Qatar Stars versus Asian Stars, or Qatar Stars versus World Star. So we were being a defending champions. Yes, you can see there. We were doing really well in the past tournaments. We had a great team, combination of batting and bowling. Most importantly, we have experienced players, those who played during that time. 2016 में था वो लड़का लोग अभी खेल रहा है. So I can name that team list if you want. Like Gayan was there during that time. I think Asad Boram is one of the good all-rounder we have. Imran Rafi is there, and Rajiva, he is one of the player who was there during that 2016 time. Likewise, Andrew Beringer, Shaheen. So all these people are, they're from the last tournament. It's last 4 years. These are the players, playing with the Sri Lankan teams. I would say, we got a pretty balanced team. Probably, our strength will be batting. But we back ourselves because it's a T10 game. You can't underestimate any team, Pakistan got a good team, India has got a good team, Bangladesh also got a very good team. So T10, the given day, it's up to individuals and team, players, how they perform and how they act to the real time, isn't it? In that moment, they're gonna win the tournament.
ग्रेट. अच्छा, आपको क्या लगता है कि T10 टूर्नामेंट जो होता है वो बैट्समैन का होता है या बॉलर्स का होता है?
हाँ जी, नॉर्मली इट्स एंटरटेनमेंट होता है ज्यादा बैटिंग में, बट यू कांट से दैट इट्स ओनली फॉर बैट्समैन और बॉलर. It's equally, how you take it, if for example, being a batsman, I should be able to score runs. So for that, I should find a way how you're gonna apply yourself in this shorter format. Still, we say that, earlier we were saying 50 over is a shorter format, and then 20 came. We thought that is the shortest format. Now we have T10 in front of you. So this is the shortest. Who knows, maybe tomorrow we are going to play 5 overs or 6 overs.
Yeah, definitely.
So still you have time in the game. We already have experience in this particular tournament, format. So hopefully, it's going to be an interesting game. Asian ground wickets are good for batting, usually good for batting. and it's a one-day tournament. Within a day you're going to finish it, do or die game. You got only one opportunity. You can't just relax and say that okay, next match देखूंगा. ऐसे नहीं होता है ना. पहले मैच में जीत गया तो अब फाइनल पहुंचेगा, नहीं तो फिर you are out of the tournament. So yeah, everyone is on their toes practicing. We have been practicing for last 2 months. Yeah, since we heard this news, everyone was excited. Yeah, and then when it got confirmed, then we started practicing twice a week. Even we practice in the daytime, so because we are going to play during the day. So most of the teams, they practice at night. So we had that opportunity to play under sunlight, and we had a few sessions, and yeah, all are set to go for this tournament.
So ये Friday practice हो रही है या फिर बीच में भी weekdays में भी आप
Friday, yes, because most of the people are working, players they work in different places. So हम तो दिन का practice तो हम Friday रखा था सुबह with fitness, and apart from that we had couple of sessions in the night. So yeah, everyone was there. The important thing was there was no excuses. I didn't see some of any players missing the practice session. They all very involved. They know that after a long time they are going to play. So sab log practice mein tha. We had a good team bonding. We made that team culture, and our coaches and supporting staff, they were behind the players and worked on individually also. So that is the beauty of our team. Yeah.
ग्रेट. अच्छा, सबसे ज्यादा सिक्स वाला और जो छक्के चौकों वाला जो प्लेयर है वो कौन है आपकी टीम में?
मेरा टीम में बोला तो आई थिंक इन द लास्ट कतर Q10 tournament I was the leading six hitting person. Yeah, I won the man of the series, and in that particular tournament I had I think, if I am not wrong, 13 or 14 sixes. So I was the leading run scorer as well. So yeah, and if I say I can name so many players who can hit good sixes. But again, it's not only about hitting sixes in this particular format. You need to find a way to score runs.
लेकिन वो लोग entertain six वालों से जरा ज्यादा होते हैं जो sixes मारते में जरा easily मतलब जो करते हो. अच्छा, dangerous होता है आपका जब भी आप बाउंड्री पे लेके जाते हैं बॉल? ये थोड़ा dangerous होता है. लोग आपके टीम मेंबर्स जो हैं वो घबराए हुए होते हैं कि वो go out ना हो जाए या फिर relax?
नहीं, कभी कभी होता है बॉल आप ऊपर एयर में मारने के टाइम में डर होता था. व्हेन यू हैव गुड बैट्समैन इन द मिडिल, वो ऊपर से मारना तो yes, there is a risk involved, but you need to take the risk in that particular moment. But still there are players who just play around the boundary. Boundary भी खेलता है, नीचे भी खेल के भी runs करता है. So doesn't mean that you only need to score sixes and make runs. There is so many way. You can take singles, you can run between the wickets. Your fitness counts when you run faster, and you can put pressure on the opponent's team. Yeah, हमारा काफी six hitters है. I can say Andrew Beringer is capable of hitting good sixes. Imraz Rafi, Gayan Buddhika, and we have few newcomers who's coming in who can bat very well. So हमारा लंबा batting lineup भी है. As I said, our strength is batting. But we got good bowlers as well.
ग्रेट. तो ये जो 10 ओवर्स है, मतलब जैसे 50 पहले ओवर्स हुआ करता था, फिर 20 और अब 10, तो इसको मतलब कोई स्ट्रेटेजी होती होगी, प्लान किया जाता होगा कि इतने ओवर्स तुमने खेलने, इतने ओवर्स मैंने खेलने, इस तरह से कुछ प्लान करते हैं, या फिर ये कि टिके रहना है ओपनर कोई?
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं है. इट्स ओनली 10 ओवर गेम. एज यू सेड, वी हैव 11 प्लेयर्स इन द टीम, बट वो 10 ओवर में वी मोस्टली एक्सपेक्ट आवर टॉप ऑर्डर बैट्समैन टू प्ले द ओवर्स.
मतलब ये होता है आपकी तरफ से कि आउट नहीं होना है, खड़े रहना है, या फिर हो जाए तो कोई
नहीं होता है. प्लान्स होता है. वी से दैट फॉर एग्जांपल ओके, पहले देयर इज अ पावर प्ले, कपल ऑफ ओवर्स देयर विल बी अ पावर प्ले. सो उसमें हम बोलते हैं टॉप ऑर्डर को और ओपनर्स को बोलते हैं जाके आप खोल के खेलो. इवन 2 overs 20-25 runs, एक विकेट जाएगा तो मुश्किल नहीं, वी हैव बैकअप. सो रिस्क लेना चाहिए, बिकॉज यू नीड टू हैव अ गुड टोटल ऑन द बोर्ड, देन ओनली यू कैन योर बॉलर कैन गो एंड हैव अ गो ऑन द ओपोनेंट. सो यस, वी टेक रिस्क, वी हैव प्लान्स. आई कांट डिस्क्लोज ऑल द प्लान्स हियर. So yeah, hopefully you can see in the ground. We as a team planning certain things. Again, some of the players with some Pakistan and India and Bangladesh players. They all good, you know. When it comes to cricket, we all like brothers. You know, it's just one day game, but being a Qatar player and living in Qatar, you know, we all have respect to each other.
Yeah.
We got a very good connection with all the brothers, like, you know, Indians. As I said, you know, earlier before the interview, you know, most of my friends are from Pakistan and India. Yeah, because in my team as well, you know, in the club team where Gulfa, I got mostly from India and Pakistan, and there's a guy from Bangladesh as well. So it's completely an Asian team. Yeah, so it's good, you know. It's when it comes to game, it's different. Yeah, you need to show your aggression probably sometimes. You're there to win. But after the game, yeah, we all are friends and brothers.
Yeah. अच्छा, अभी सबको ये पता है कि मॉर्निंग में 9 पे मैच शुरू होना है. तो ये कब से कब तक है? क्योंकि सब ये सवाल कर रहे हैं कि अगर सुबह सुबह ना पहुंच सके तो कब तक का हमारे पास चांस है कि हम पहुंच जाएं?
हाँ जी, अभी से no, they can even start early, but due to this fog, you know, grass में पानी होगा ना, इसीलिए they kept it 9:30. So the draw will be done in the ground only, because all 4 teams will be present there. I think they will have an opening ceremony, hopefully, and then they will
before 9:30 or after 9:30.
No, 9:30 के बाद ही शुरू करेगा. I don't think they can have a early start because of the dew factor.
Okay.
There will be moisture on the grasses, so they will plant by 9:30. It's a 10-over game. I think 10-over. I mean, one hour time you can finish one innings. So hopefully, within 2 hours time you can finish one game. So hopefully one game in the morning before the Jummah prayers, and then afternoon there will be one game, and in between there is between final and the second game there is a game for the women's team.
Okay.
Again, it's a good initiative by QCA, you know, really good to see that, you know, women are coming up and they're also doing well. Recently I have seen some of the players, I mean women's team players, they are practicing individually. I have seen in their academies, they are working hard with their coaches. And again, QCA is giving a great opportunity for them as well, you know. If you see in the world cricket, the women and men's, they are equally performing. You know, now we have in the IPL, they have separate tournament for women's. In BPL, you have tournaments. Likewise, in the worldwide, you know, they are giving opportunity for the women's and good motivative. And hopefully, we can see a lot of young people coming in and, you know, playing for their country. You know, you all like to play for your country, but again, when you are here, this is your second country. And it's kind of, you know, great opportunity for you to go and perform in front of your family, friends, and, you know, all over the world, people are watching at you. Hopefully, this is also going to be a live, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, live.
Yeah, no, I mean, the matches. So in the matches also, you know,
on the television.
Yes.
Okay.
I guess, yeah. I think maybe it will be given live also.
Okay.
So yeah, it's a great thing.
ये जो women की टीम का मैच है, तो ये कितने मैचेस हैं?
एक ही मैच है. I think there will be an exhibition match kind of thing.
Okay.
And it's a 6-hour game, because that is how we heard in the last conference. It happened a couple of days ago. So yeah, I think they also preparing, and Miss Shivani, I guess she is the in charge of this women's team, and she is preparing. She is also doing a great job with women's team. Yeah.
Great. तो ये मैच तकरीबन हम क्या एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे? 5 बजे तक शाम में या 4 बजे तक चलेगा?
I guess, you know, the final should be finished before 7 p.m. Yeah.
Before 7. Okay.
After the first game, there will be a break for the Jummah prayer, and then they will be starting the second game. So those who are winning from first and second game, they will be straight away playing the finals game after the women's game. So hopefully by 5 o'clock match शुरू होगा, 7 बजे तक.
ग्रेट. मतलब सबके पास ऑप्शन है कि अगर कोई जुम्मा प्रेयर के बाद आना चाहता है तो उस वक्त भी आ सकता है और सुबह में भी आ सकता है.
But we expect all the fans to
सुबह से आए.
Because the thing is, you know, you play different. I mean, all 4 teams are participating. You never know who is going to play the first game and second game.
Exactly.
So we request everyone to be there on the ground and support your team. You know, it is a great motivation. You know, that's how you play the game, and without fans and supporters, we are not here.
अच्छा, जब आप खेल रहे होते हैं और सपोर्टर्स होते हैं और अगर आपको मतलब कर रहे हो ना, सपोर्ट कर रहे हो, आपके लिए थोड़ी आवाजें, थोड़ा सा इस तरह की इमोशंस अपने शो कर रहे हो, तो उस वक्त ज्यादा अच्छा खेला जाता है, एक मिलती है कुछ स्ट्रेंथ उससे?
कुछ लोग को probably, personally, I got experience playing under crowd. We have been playing these tournaments for quite long time. This time it Four Nation hai. And if you see last time it happened on 18th December, and us waqt the ground was completely full. So crowd full tha. It's good to hear that noise around you, but yes, being a player you don't concentrate on all those things, but that vibes give you some extra thing. You
जैसे आप जब बैटिंग करते हैं, आप बता रहे हैं कि आप सिक्सेस वाले जरा मतलब 6-4 लगाते हैं, तो कोई अगर डिमांड कर रहा हो क्राउड में से 6 तो लग जाता है?
To be honest, you need to play that particular delivery. किधर ही मिला तो डेफिनेटली 6 के लिए जाएगा, नहीं तो फिर आपको क्राउड के लिए भी खेलता है, कुछ लोग खेलता है, बट यू
हमारी आफरीदी है ना, लोग आवाजें लगाना शुरू करते हैं, छक्का छक्का तो लगा देते हैं, वो छक्का चाहे आउट हो जाए, तो इस तरह का कुछ होता है सीन?
The players to player it is different, isn't it? Afridi, we all knows that he is capable of hitting sixes in any day, like MS Dhoni from India, like you have from Sri Lanka, there's Tissera Pereira, so they all capable of hitting big sixes anytime. पर कुछ प्लेयर्स होता है, आप बोलेगा फिर भी नहीं लगता है ना, वो लोग का जानबूझ से ये दे यूज्ड टू प्ले डिफरेंट गेम. सो Afridi used to play in that way, so yeah, he is able to connect the ball easily anytime, but yes, but मैं तो crowd के सुन के तो नहीं खेल सकता है, because at that particular moment you need to concentrate on that ball and then play merit, on merit.
मतलब अपनी दिल की सुनते हैं. इस तरह बोल तो जा सकता है. अच्छा, क्रिकेट का आप क्या फ्यूचर देख रहे हैं यहाँ कतर में?
To be honest, if you see 4 years ago, I'm talking about Qatar national team, and we were 96 in the ranking, world ranking in T20, but now we are in 20s. So that means there's a huge progress, past 4 years. So yes, we are going to participate in the T20 qualifiers in this April, which is going to be held in Kuwait. And then there's one more tournament in Canada for the 50 over World Cup qualifiers. So I don't think this is in the history. This is the first time this team is playing in this sort of leagues, or maybe in these world tournaments, qualify rounds. So personally, yes, I could see that we have a good future with Qatar cricket going forward. Probably in 1 or 2 years' time, hopefully we can, if we do well in these coming tournaments, we will be playing in the World Cups. So that will be a great moment for us, as well as as well as for the Qatar fans and Qatar. Yeah, definitely we are going to do well in these tournaments, and hopefully we will, make Qatar proud and make that Qatar flag flying high.
Great, inshallah. तो अभी इस मैच का तो आपने हमें बता दिया, शेयर कर दिया सारा. ग्रेट, जबरदस्त. मेरा ख्याल है हमारे सवाल हो गए, ज्यादातर चीजें मैंने आपसे पूछ ली हैं. अच्छा, कोई मैसेज अगर अपनी श्रीलंकन कम्युनिटी और स्पेशली, हाँ अभी मेरे जहन में ये बात आ रही थी, ये रह गई है कि यहाँ पे मोस्टली जो लोग आते हैं तो अपने काम के सिलसिले में आते हैं, वर्क के लिए आते हैं.
हाँ जी.
हाँ, तो मतलब कुछ ऐसे चांसेस हैं बाद में कतरी क्रिकेट के लिए कि यहाँ पे मतलब प्लेयर्स को बुलाया भी जाए सिर्फ और सिर्फ खेलने के लिए, कुछ इस तरह का बन सकता है सीन?
ऐसा हो रहा है, because we started doing that. हम किया था, like when I said that Gulfar, we started playing from 2016 now. उस वक्त हमारा टीम था, yes, we had a very good team, and they were playing in the Division B, and some of the players, they took this team too up. I can name those names: Noah Nekanaik, Saman Fonseca, Narayanan, Manoj Panikar. Those people were playing well in the B division, and then we promoted to A division. So during that time there was a lot of competition between the A division teams. A division in the sense you get the best team in the country. So to compete in the level, we thought of, hire some players from outside and we will recruit them as a player and, they can work also. So like that, we brought some players. They are the one who is here now in the country. Now they are part of the Sri Lankan team. Gayan, Shaheen, Imraz, and I think some of the players like Bora and Riberinger, they all came here as cricketers, professional cricketers, and they are working as well. So indirectly, teams like Gulfar, I think CBQs, I have Warriors, and then even Tuskers. There are teams, they recruit players. Even Asian Cricket Club, they are bringing players and they are giving opportunity for them to work in this country, and then indirectly you are eligible to play for Qatar after 3 years time. When you are here for 3 years, then you are automatically eligible to play for Qatar national team if you are performing well in this domestic season.
Great.
So again, it's a good opportunity for the youngsters who is going to play in this particular tournament. This will be highlighted and the performance will be counted for the national selection by the selectors, and selectors are closely monitoring some of the players, and who maybe you never know, someone else you even don't know his performance before. He might be the one who is going to in this tournament and shine and get the opportunity to play in the national side. Also, I can mention, the Kamran Khan recently he went to participate in the US Open because he was one of the leading run scorer in 2020.
The third ranking है उनकी, मुझे कल पता चला था.
He was the third run getter in this particular year. And then he got a call from USA League, which is a big thing,
Big thing.
And being he's one of my close friends as well, so we all happy for him. And then it's a motivation for us as well,
Yeah, exactly.
to go to this next level. So you need to see these things and learn. Likewise, I am damn sure that बच्चे लोग होगा, match देखने के लिए आएगा, and he is again a known person from everyone, so even they will come and watch him, so it's a good moment for everyone,
Great.
Win-win situation for everyone.
ग्रेट. अच्छा, इस वक्त के मतलब जो यंगस्टर्स हैं जो आना चाहते हैं क्रिकेट टीम में, अगर आप लोगों को भी ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, इस वक्त किसी की 10-12 साल तक की उम्र है, तो क्या कोई मैसेज कुछ उनके लिए कहना चाहेंगे कि किस तरह से आप लोगों को रीच किया जा सकता है, और दूसरा ये कि क्या करना चाहिए उनको?
Yeah, I started my cricket career at the age of 13 when Sri Lanka won 1996 World Cup, under Arjuna Ranatunga's captaincy. So my role model was Ramesh Kalavitha, and at that time he was a wicket-keeper batsman. Now I am also a wicket-keeper batsman.
Okay, great.
After long period. So now, if you see in this part of the country, there are a lot of academies. Those academies are doing really well, and I can see from age of 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 19, there are a lot of kids who are participating. That means they have seen something in Qatar. The things are moving fast, the national team is performing well. You've got a lot of teams around, I think in domestic circle itself, I think we have more than 120 teams are participating. So it's a huge community. So from there, their kids have now started to play cricket, and cricket is definitely growing faster. And I can say that come those kids, you can come and watch the game. You will definitely going to enjoy this particular tournament.
Great. अच्छा, हमने देखा जैसे हमारी इंटरनेशनल टीम्स वगैरह हैं, तो वो जब क्रिकेटर्स बहुत ज्यादा फेमस हुए, फिर एक वो सीन आया था कि लोग उनको स्पॉन्सर करते थे और एड्स में भी आते थे सब कुछ. मैं इसलिए पूछ रही हूँ, आप जब जवाब देते हैं तो उधर कैमरे की तरफ देख के देखते हैं, तो यहाँ पे कुछ इस तरह का सीन होता है कि स्पॉन्सर्स जो कर रहे हैं छोटे मोटे कोई एड्स बनाते हो तो उसमें भी ऑफर मिलती हो, अगर कुछ ऐसा हुआ तो आप करेंगे? क्योंकि मैं आपकी कैमरा से वो जो कहना वो मैं देख के मतलब मेरे जहन में आया कि ऐसा कभी रहा है कुछ शौक मॉडलिंग वगैरह का?
अभी तक तो नहीं आया.
खुद अंदर से है मॉडलिंग का शौक?
No, why not? Yeah, if opportunity comes, everyone is there to experience it. But
होना चाहिए. मतलब यहाँ कतर में इतना फेमस होता जा रहा है क्रिकेट, और जैसे आपने बताया कि कुछ 90s रैंकिंग से अब 21 पे आ गया है ना, और अभी इतना माशाल्लाह कतर की जो क्रिकेट है उसका स्कोप है, लोग पसंद कर रहे हैं, तो अब डेफिनेटली कुछ अर्से के बाद एड्स मिलेंगे आपको. तो रिजलान, आप मुझे लग रहा है कि मॉडल के तौर पे नजर आ सकते हैं.
Not as a model, yes, for cricket definitely. And still we got some more sponsors. Not only models, we are happy, as a player, since we are performing well, we were sponsored our gears by different
kids,
different organization. This. So I am proud. Last 4 years I'm playing with SM Sports. They are the one who is sponsoring me for my bats, gloves, helmets, pad, all that stuff. And yes, of course, my company Gulfar Al Misnad. I'm the captain of that team as well. So they are doing a great job as well. They are promoting cricket. Not only cricket, we are promoting football, cultural activities. Everywhere. The satisfaction is there. Not only work. You can't just work every day. You need to have entertainment.
Yes, exactly.
Being a sports people, we do that. But for others also, we got a lot of activities. We got that gym facilities. So it's rare thing. Happening. But yes, let's see if something comes in my way. Definitely I'll take it.
Obviously. तो आप क्रिकेट के साथ कोई और स्पोर्ट्स में एंगेज हैं?
I started as an athlete. I used to do all the track and field events, and then I was interested in playing rugby. But I played my rugby in my school days, and first 15. And then yes, it's a dangerous game. That's how my parents thought. So I had to give up rugby and focus on my cricket. After playing for Sri Lanka under-19 schools, then I moved to Qatar, as I said, at the age of 20. And lucky that I'm part of Qatar national team after 4 years, and continuing my that performance for last 10 years, and hopefully I will be doing the same with the
इंशाल्लाह हमारी बेस्ट विशेस आपके साथ हैं इस मैच के लिए. आपकी जितनी श्रीलंका, बांग्लादेश, पाकिस्तान, इंडिया, सब जितनी टीम्स खेल रही हैं, सब लोगों के लिए बहुत ही बेस्ट ऑफ लक हमारी तरफ से, मेरी तरफ से, मेरी टीम की तरफ से. इंशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा मैच देखने को मिलेगा, और आपके फ्यूचर के लिए भी इंडिविजुअली आपको भी मैं बेस्ट विशेस देना चाहूंगी कि बहुत अच्छी तरीके से आप परफॉर्म करें, जो आपके ड्रीम्स हैं वो इंशाल्लाह जरूर पूरे हों. तो हमारी दुआएं आपके साथ. रिजवान, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, थैंक यू सो मच कि आप आए यहाँ पे, आपने हमें अपना टाइम दिया. हमारे लिए बहुत ऑनर की बात है. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू सो मच.
फिर ग्राउंड पे मिलते हैं आपसे.
हाँ, इंशाल्लाह मिलते हैं. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर Urdu 107 FM for having us here. And you did a great job. You made me very comfortable. That is very important thing. And I wish you all the best. And hopefully we will do our best on the ground. Winning, losing is part of the game.
असल चीज एंटरटेनमेंट है, और वो ही हम चाहते भी हैं.
किसी भी जीत सकता है, किसी भी हार सकता है. It's how take it forward and support each other. And it's a big opportunity for us to improve our Qatar cricket and go forward. Bring it up in the world ranking. Hopefully we will do as a team, and because of you people we are here, and this is how we reach to people. And thanks once again Urdu 107
Thank you.
FM.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका. हमारे लिए, जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा, ऑनर की बात है. आप लोग हमारे साथ हैं इस दफा, और ग्राउंड पे भी हम आपके लिए होंगे सपोर्ट के लिए. तो हमारे लिए बहुत ऑनर की बात है, क्योंकि एंटरटेनमेंट और क्रिकेट जो है वो हम सब लोग जितने भी एशियन हैं, हम सब लोगों के लिए एक पैशन है हमेशा से. क्रिकेट को लेके हम सब दीवाने. हमें भी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी कि हम आके आपको ग्राउंड में देखेंगे खेलते हुए, तो हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात होगी.
Definitely. Not only us, our parents, they really
सबके लिए proud
moment है. People are watching all over the world, and yes, we Asian like to play cricket, and most of the Asian countries they worship cricket is a god. Some of them. So yes, and we hope people will come and support their teams and make this event success, and going forward we will have
जो आएंगे देखने के लिए, जो स्पेक्टेटर्स हैं, तो उनके लिए क्या-क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं? मास्क होना चाहिए, और क्या-क्या है उनके पास? एतराज होना चाहिए?
There will be a restriction placed, but it's good for everyone. I request everyone to follow that protocol, and wear your mask, keep that social distance, and most importantly take care of your kids and elderly people, because they are the one who is if anything happens going to suffer. And come and watch the game, and most importantly your prayers and supports are very important. And
ग्रेट, जबरदस्त। मैंने अब सारे जितने लिस्टनर्स के जहन में सवाल होंगे ना वो सारे रिजलान के ही मुंह से उन तक पहुंचा दी हैं सारी बातें। और डेफिनेटली अब आपकी मतलब बड़ी अच्छा डिटेल में आपने सारी चीजें बता दी, टाइम भी बता दिया, सारी चीजें मेंशन कर दी, तो अब देखने के लिए लोग जरूर आएंगे और बड़ा मजा आने वाला है इंशाल्लाह फ्राइडे को। तो हम इंशाल्लाह मिलते हैं फ्राइडे को। थैंक यू सो मच रिजवान, आपने हमें टाइम दिया एक दफा।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
ओके, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।